We try to get as much information as we can about the object non-destructively. So we utilized a number of different imaging technologies as a way to look at the materials without having to take the sample initially. A material is going to interact with different regions of the spectrum, and when we talk about the spectrum, it's not just the visible spectrum that your eye can pick up, but the full electromagnetic spectrum. So each material is going to absorb UV differently. Some of them will fluoresce, some of them will reflect near infrared, some of them will absorb near infrared. So by taking a photograph, an image, in each of these spectral windows, we get kind of a different view of our coat with every image we collect. A good example are some of these green colors. It looks like a consistent lot of dye is used throughout this, but when you image it in the UV or the near infrared, you actually find that there are two different dye stuffs being used here. So it helps us learn a little bit about the construction of the coat and its materials before we ever begin taking our samples.